It all started with a simple text prompt of an architectural idea. And now you have generated this beautiful image. So what do you do with it? But then you wake up startled. So if you have this one picture, what can you really do with it? In our workshop Reverse Engineering with AI, we're gonna show you a complex workflow created around this picture, and that entire conceptual pipeline is not happening in just one AI, it goes into a chain reaction, combining different AIs to discover a full project from scratch. We go into research mode with analysis, taking the input to its origin, including Kriya nodes for building a versatile AI app. We dive into Freeform Studio of Formas. We use Gaussian splat renderings from a point cloud, which allows us to switch from exterior to interior and back. We generate different time-lapse animations and extract a 3D model for conversion and deconstruction in Rhino. We use Autodesk Forma for deeper construction insights and evaluation. Then we jump between LumaLabs, Kriya, Midjourney and Morphic to produce an entire animation storyboard, and we end up with a complete lookbook, a showreel and a portfolio. And by the end you will know what's all possible with only one image. That's our interpretation of reverse engineering with AI. Welcome to PA Academy.